and today with me I have my little cutie pie. Say hi. Hi. Oh, she just loves you guys. Let's see what's under the tree. We have a glitter surprise. LOL. Yes. It took forever to find these. Now, let's see what's on the back. Okay, number 1, secret message. Number 2, collectible stickers. Number 3, bottle. Number 4, shoes. Number 5, outfit. Number 6, accessory. Number 7, doll. And add water for surprise. Now let's open this thing up. Yeah. It's gold. It's always gold. There's a dress and a really shiny trophy. There's the rest of the zipper. Okay. She is either a color changer, a spinner, a crier, or a tickler. Remember last time, guys? Spice. Finaly. Okay. Anyways. What did she say? Excited yet? Okay, here's our first. You can't get it out. So here's our first. What are you doing over there, my little cutie pie? Okay. A little cheek here. Wait, oh no, there's a little slit. How come I never saw that? Anyways, let's see what we have. Oh, it's so glitter. It's white with black. The little Brussels right here. And the top lid is super glittery and pink. Okay, let's see what else we have. Let's put it over here next to our Christmas tree. Ooh, that was a good one. That was good. That was good. Wait, I forgot what she said. No, almost there. Let me out of here. Let me out right here. Okay.
Is it open?
Yeah. Making an entrance. Surprise inside! Yay! Okay. Ooh, these shoes! Oh, they're so cute. They're pink on the bottom and they're white on the top with cute little bows on it. Oh, those are adorable bubbles. It's super cute. Let's put these down next to the Christmas tree. Oh, these things are super messy. Okay. Surprise is inside. Yay! Oh, this dress is everything. Look at that. Oh, it has black at the top, a nice dark pink belt, cute little like cheetah prints almost, and right here on the bottom we have cute pink ruffles. Oh, that is so adorable. It's so cute. It's so awesome. Oh, 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 oh. It's loud. Let's see what's in here. Oh. Oh, this bow is everything. Look at that. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's a big bow though. Okay, that's adorable. Piece of moist. Oh. Oh my god, she's super cute. Look at the glittery hair. And look at those cute leggings. Look at that star next to her and those adorable lips. And those beautiful eyes. Huh. Want me to put on her dress right now? Ew, it's glitter though. It's super sparkly. She has cute little blush as well. That is so cute. And her hair is really big. It is so cute though. Oh, see who she is. Right here it says she's diva and she's a diamond, so that means she's fabulous, which is not the highest, but still really cute. Let's see if she's a color changer. since we all know her pretty glitter, we don't want to ruin this thing, so we're not going to submerge her in water. So how are we going to submerge this? Oh well. Okay. Let's get the water. Okay, let's give it to her. Give it to her. Give it to her. I just love her hair though. It's so nice and poofy and so sparkly. There. Oh, she spits! Oh, you're just like Spice. She must be some kind of diva or something. Let's put her close. Oh, she is so cute with all those glitter and her cute dress. It's absolutely adorable. So now let's put on her shoes. What do you do? The thing is that her shoes are glittery. I'll expect her shoes to be glittery. Okay, those shoes are cute. Let's put her bow. Now this is little Diva spinning everywhere. Now, by environmental pies, it was fun opening little Diva up. And bye-bye.